This one is a Glock 19 9mm. So here's your Glock. As you can see, these are regular 9mm rounds, and these are your home defense rounds. They're hollow point. So I like to carry all. Obviously, if I'm carrying, I like to have my home defense rounds, or if I'm using at the house for any odd reason. And then if I'm at the range plinking, I'm obviously going to use these. So there's your ammo. Set that off to the side. So this video, we're just going to do a disassembly and reassemble and kind of show you, the cleaning stuff I use. You can use whatever you want, but I use Shooter's Choice FP10 lubricant. It's light. And when I refer to a white blanket or towel or anything, here's an old t-shirt. And basically when I'm cleaning the gun, as long as I don't see any more black stuff on my shirt, then I know I got it clean enough. So alright, first thing you're going to do on your 9mm is eject the mag. So you press this button right here by the thumb, or the trigger. Alright, no rounds in it, so that's good. And then just because you don't know if it's ever loaded, you never want to have your finger on the trigger. I usually lock the slide open, and then just do a quick verification. You want to make sure there's no rounds in the chamber. Once you've done that, you're going to slide. Let's pull this down. You're going to see a lever here and a little one here. You're going to slide those down, and at the same time pull back a little bit. It's hard to do it while filming, so got that one, got that one, and you kind of pull the trigger and pull the slides off. Alright, so that's disassembled. You're going to take your spring, do the same thing, pull the spring out, and you're going to take the barrel, lift up a little bit, slide out. And like I said, you're going to take your white shirt and you're going to just wipe it down real quick. Make sure you don't got any black marks. So no black, and you're going to do that to each piece. For the barrel, you're going to clean down the inside of the barrel with the brush. You're going to wipe the outside, get any gunk off of it. I usually use a Q-tip on this, on the spring, but same thing. And then inside the gun, you're going to do the same. Wipe it down. Now we're going to put it back together. So you're going to take your slide, grab your barrel, slide it in. You want to make sure it's, easy and free to move. There's no hookup, otherwise it won't fire properly, or it'll jam. Put your spring back in. And you can see this little groove down there. You're just going to push in on that. And it's not a really hard push. It's just while filming. You're going to slide it in. There you go. And push it in so it shouldn't come out. That's good. And then you're going to put this all back together. So you're going to slide it on the rails, line everything up. There we go. And then what I usually do is give it a couple on the slide, because you want to make sure it's all good. And make sure your latches are back up on both sides. That's good. So obviously it's racked. If there was a round in there, you would want to shoot yourself. So usually what I'll do is I'll lock the slide open, verify nothing's in there, and your gun's good to go. That is your 9mm Glock 19. It's a little bit custom, as you can see here. Got a little American flag on there. Very nice gun, also great for concealing. But this is the full body, so 15 rounds. So, depending on your holster, you got to have the right holster. That's a Graco. As you can see, I can turn it upside down. I highly recommend the Gracos. It's not coming out unless you pull it out. Very, very nice inside the waistband. Great for concealed carry. And it locks in there good, like I showed you. So that's your Glock 19.
I'm a ranger in the name of danger. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.